So we're at Aldi's right now. We're getting food for Thursday and just regular food for the house. My head looks entirely large right now, but yeah, I'm gonna take you guys inside and you guys are gonna come shopping with us. My mom sent me on a mission to get spreadable butter and plain bagels, so you guys can come with me to go get those items. The next stop is Costco, which I'm really excited for because usually when I go to Costco, I always get some type of clothes. As I predicted, shoes. Oh, perfect for filming. Perfect. Yes, we're doing Fun Girl. And this. I told you guys if I go to Costco, I'm getting clothes. There's their Adidas sweatpants from the men's section. Yikes. And I got these jeans, the first jeans that ever fit me in life. $17 at Marshall's. So yes, thank you for 300 subscribers, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.